Yo, what's up guys, I'm back in another Pet Simulator X video, and today I'm basically only going to be opening the Pog egg and making some golds and rainbows maybe. You put on my boots and I'll get started. Hopefully we start off at a good start. Okay, 2 Pog dragons. 2 more Pog dragons. Okay, I'm almost out now. This egg is so expensive. Good thing I keep on getting Pog dragons. Last one. I get Pogcat. Oh, I need quick search up. Pog. And those are all the pets I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm able to make 2 more goldens that'll make. Wait, I might be able to make a rainbow dragon. Pog dragon. I might be able to. Wait, I'm gonna have to do 288s. I got the first one. No, I do have 100%. That's good. I have a 88% chance of getting a rainbow Pog dragon. That's really good. Just about done making the golds. Okay, there, I'm done making all the golds. Now I just need to go to the mine. And now I'll make the rainbows. Yeah, I should be able to make a rainbow Pog dog. Let's see. Okay, let's go. Three, 2, 1. Let's go. Hey. Whew, that's my new best pet. It is 76 million. Jeez. Well, that's pretty much going to be it for the video today. Hope you guys all have a good day.